Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings for Warangal location from Telangana. So I am include the jobs for both experienced and fresher candidates. So let us see what are the jobs available in this video. So firstly, there are openings available from Byju's hiring for the HR business partner position. So coming to qualifications, you should have MBA in HR and also having the 3 to 5 years of experience in HR BP and talent management or engagement. So these are the qualifications and experiences you should be having to apply for this position. So if you are eligible to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from Shadow Fox hiring for the assistant manager or city lead LM operations. So the candidate should be having 3 to 5 years of experience in operations, preferable e-commerce, last mile logistics. So coming to responsibilities, so you need to groom and train a team of 4 to 5 members in maintaining performance and metrics, and you need to make sure rider capacity in the area of operations and deliver best performance and meet business demands, and identification and shortlisting of franchise partners. So these are the responsibilities. You please go through with this. So if you are eligible to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from Oasis Fertility. So they are hiring for the position of embryologist. So it would be a 100% day shift job, permanent job. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from Tasmo hiring for the territory or area sales manager position. So if you want to know more detailed information, or else if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. So next one, there are openings available from Byju's. So they are hiring for the business development associate position. So any graduates or postgraduate candidates are eligible to apply, and the age limit should be must be less than 27 years. So let us see what are the skills mentioned here to apply for this position. So the candidates must be having good communication skills and also interested in sales and mentoring and guiding the parents and as well as students, and willing to travel different cities, and good interpersonal and presentation skills are required, and willingness to take up challenges whenever required. So these are the skills and responsibilities. So mainly you have to manage the you have to mentor and guiding the parents and the students about the way of learning of the Byju's, and also you need to make the sales. So mainly those are the responsibilities. So coming to salary, it would be if you're selected, means you will be having 2 months training period. In that you are going to get 25,000 rupees per month stipend. So after completion of the training, you will be having the salary would be 10 lakhs per annum. In that 7 lakhs would be fixed pay, and 3 lakhs would be variable pay. So these are the salary details. If you are interested to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from 10x10 Solutions hiring for the team lead, warehouse operations and outbound. So coming to qualifications, you should have good communication skills, and you must be having graduation. And coming to salary, it would be 25,000 to 28,000 rupees in hand per month. So if you are eligible to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from Niva Bupa Health Insurance. So they have vacancies for the position of business development manager. So if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings available from GP Petroleums hiring for the area sales manager or sales executives. So the candidates should be having 6 to 12 years of channel sales experience in automotive, spare parts, lubricants and battery will be preferred. So these are the qualifications. If you are interested to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And if you want to know more detailed information about these jobs, you can also check in the official website link mentioned here. Next one, there are openings available from Vega IntelliSoft Private Limited. So they have vacancies for the position of Docker admin. So let us see what are the qualifications mentioned here. So the candidates should have experience on premise Docker with MongoDB environment, and also knowledge of Docker swab and knowledge of Portainer and knowledge of the use of Linux to manage the Docker. So these are the qualifications, and if you are interested means you can also go through with the job description mentioned here. So the candidate should be having 6 to 8 years of experience. So if you are interested to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.